First up, the all-party meeting in Parliament comes to an end. Sources in the government indicate that Congress is yet to approach the government over the leader of opposition issue. Sources add that the BJP is unlikely to give in to the Congress's demand of being granted an LOP status to one of its leaders. The Speaker is likely to decide on the issue according to parameters laid down in the Constitution. Meanwhile, the Speaker is yet to take a decision over the Congress's demand of getting 4 front seats in the Lok Sabha as well. Congress, meanwhile, is preparing to take on the Narendra Modi government over issues of price rise, among others. The party is holding a high-level meeting this evening. Senior Congress leaders including leaders of the party's legislative top party leaders are likely to attend that meeting.
Unless the Speaker gives some agenda or some discussion, they start. I can't say anything now. All 24 representatives are meeting today with the Speaker, and let me see what are the subjects they will bring.
But more than a month has passed by and there is no answer to the leader of opposition question.
No, let me see, because that is left to the Speaker, and whatever Speaker takes decision, let me see.
Is the Congress party ready to go to the court over it? Is the Congress party ready to go to the court over it, as has been reported by some sections?
No, I don't want to comment on those things. Let me examine other things and we'll come back.
All right, let's get a word from our correspondent Jugal Purohit, who's joining us on the phone line from the national capital. Jugal, the Congress party getting ready to take on the BJP government over several issues such as price rise, inflation, judicial appointments. But the leader of opposition is something that will top the Congress's agenda.
Simi, or so we thought, but it looks as if that's not going to be the case, because what we are now understanding from the just concluded all-party meeting which the Speaker had called, it seems that the Congress party did not even raise the issue of granting to itself the leader of opposition's position. And of course, with the Congress not asking for it, the BJP did not discuss. And what we understand from our sources in the BJP is that the BJP is not too keen to grant this particular post to the Congress party. So it does look as if the Congress will not be getting this coveted post, and it looks as if the Congress for now is not creating any trouble. They promised, in fact, in this all-party meeting that they will be cooperating with the government, they will be helping in passage of bills and in smooth functioning of the House, but very, very surprisingly, they have not at all raised this issue. As you just saw in the interview, I asked Mallikarjun Kharge also that with more than a month passing and there being no clarity on the leader of opposition's role and position, how the Congress take it up, and his answer was very, very meek. He did not, in fact, even push for it. And now, as we understand, that the Congress has not even asked for the same in the all-party meeting. So it looks as if the Congress has resigned perhaps to its fate. We will have to wait and watch for the final answer only when the Parliament commences. But at least for now, it seems that the Congress is not willing to take up this issue with as much enthusiasm that it was being spoken about earlier, at least.
Absolutely. But the final strategy of the Congress party likely to be decided in that high-level meeting that is expected to take place today. Jugal, thanks so much for that update. We'll continue tracking developments with you.